This is the Recycling, Scrap Metal, Commodities, and Economic Report, August 5th, 2024. U.S. weekly raw steel production fell slightly at 1.73 million tons, up 2.4% from last year, and down 2.1% year-to-date on slow U.S. manufacturing. WTI crude oil price fell to $73.52 a barrel, the lowest in 2 months despite rising tensions in the Middle East. Concerns over slow demand are outweighing the risks. U.S. weekly crude oil production was steady at 13.3 million barrels per day, remaining at a record level. Concerns over lower demand could bring lower production. The U.S. weekly oil rig count was steady at 482 with record production. Great productivity per well continues. Scrap steel number one HMS price was steady at $305 a gross ton on slow U.S. and global manufacturing. There is little price pressure up or down for August. Hot rolled coil steel price rose slightly to $32.89 per hundredweight, which is $6.57 a ton on slow U.S. manufacturing. Copper price rose slightly to $4.13 a pound, which is high but near a 4-month low. This is on slow U.S. manufacturing and slow manufacturing in China as well. Aluminum price fell slightly to $1.03 a pound, which is $22.66 a metric ton on poor demand and higher Chinese aluminum production. China July NBS manufacturing PMI fell to 49.4, the third month in a row under 50, which is contraction. Output rose, but there was weak employment, yet there's solid sentiment. U.S. July ISM manufacturing PMI fell to 46.6, with again under 50 being contraction. New orders, backlogs, production, and employment all fell. U.S. July new jobs added 114,000, well below forecast. Healthcare and construction rose, and information system jobs fell. U.S. July unemployment rate rose to 4.3, the highest since October 2021. High interest rates are slowing the economy, which is the government's goal. The slowing economy will reduce inflation. U.S. July average hourly earnings rose 3.6%, the least since May 2021, but well above the 2.6% inflation. Workers had huge salary increases early COVID, but then lost some with the higher inflation. But for about the last 14 months, salary increases have been faster than inflation. U.S. July total employment rose to 158.7 million, a new record high in American history. This is great economic news, but as we see, hiring is slowing. Wall Street's Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 852 points to 38,737 on economic slowing. The Federal Reserve said it may drop interest rates in September, 7 weeks from now, and the market's not doing well this morning as well. Gondola trailers, tin scows in Canada, as they're called. We have them in stock. Tandem axle, 48-foot long, 8-foot high walls. The walls and floors are Hardox, which is the great high-strength steel. Call Ben Lee for a quote at 734-722-8100. This report by Greg Brown is brought to you by Ben Lee, roll-off trailers, gondola trailers, crush car trailers, lugger trucks, roll-off trailer parts, and of course, roll-off truck parts for Galbraith, Galfab, American Dragon, and more. As always, feel free to call or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.